Hello everyone. It's kind of a gloomy day here, so the lighting's not brilliant, but I'm here to show you, do a flip through of this little one signature manila envelope bird theme nature journal. So it's covered in muslin and it's made out of a manila file, not a file folder, a manila envelope, like a report card holder envelope. And there's sewing and there's ephemera, and it is held together with sari silk and this great little heart key that I got as part of a swap. So here we go, and the sari silk just wraps around. Inside, this is all reinforced with Tyvek, and this flap is actually got some manila envelope cardstock in it, so hence the little ridges that enable it to wrap around. And this is an Edith Holden image that I've sewn on top of dyed muslin, but it's not tea dyed, it's inked actually. It's oh, I don't know, it's vintage photo, oh that's what it is, it's vintage photo re-inker that I've diluted. And there's some dyed cheesecloth underneath as well. So we open it up, and there's that pocket that comes as part of the manila folder, and this is all reinforced and sewn, and it feels really sturdy. And so as I said, it's a one signature, and it's got the pocket on the back, and the fabric has been sewn all around. And the end pages are Tim Holtz cardstock. And it's got a big tag. This is an Edith Holden page. It's actually part of that same page that had those swifts or whatever they are. And this is a pocket tag. It's got actually two little tucks on it, and it's got journaling writing on the back. And there is graph paper and ledger paper and primary school writing paper and some lined paper in in between each of the kind of the pockety sides. This is an Edith Holden owl image that I love. And inside this is an envelope pocket. It's a like a security envelope, and the tutorial for making these was on Junk Journal Junkies, and it was Deborah who posted that. So there's a tuck spot here, and there's a tuck spot here, and there's also a secret pocket behind, and in that is an Edith Holden page for you to use as you wish. And it's all sewn with fabric and reinforced. So more writings pages, same combination. This is a hummingbird page from an encyclopedia, and in it is a another hummingbird page. This is all about Anna's hummingbird, but I've also sewn in some graph paper. And I was thinking, this is a chimney swift on the inside, that if you're a birder and you want to keep lists of birds that you've seen, or if you're traveling and you keep lists of birds, that's a great spot with a bird paper clip. More writing pages of the same types. Here's another pocket. This is a Wendy's Journal Adventure pocket, and it's not sewn in, it's just floating. There is a tag inside. This is Tim Holtz paper. And this is a Tim Holtz ephemera that I've sewn in behind some tracing paper. And that just tucks right in there. And this is the middle of the signature. Oh, I'm going to put a charm on here. I forgot to put the charm on. There will be a bird charm on that. And that's Edith Holden. And more writing places, and here's another one of those Wendy's Journal Adventure pockets, or pouches as she calls them. And there's some more Tim Holtz ephemera beneath it that's all sewn on with a Tim Holtz birdie tag. And that just slides in there. fix that in a sec. And that tucks in there. All right, some more writing spots and another hummingbird list page. So this one is a ruby-throated hummingbird. And on the inside is more list papers that have been sewn on. And there again is a little bird paper clip to hold it in place. And that's a ruby-throated hummingbird on the back side of that. And I like how this page came out. This is a beautiful rose, very thick cardstock postcard. And then this lifts up, and there's a little tiny piece of Velcro for some secret journaling or putting a picture or whatever you want there. But that came out really cute. I like that. And the last tag page. This is just a layaway, simple layaway tag in a tuck spot. And that's it. So that is my bird-themed one signature envelope journal that I will list on Etsy. And it just tucks in just like that. And it has a really nice feel to it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.